Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to install a theme in your WordPress website. So start the video. So I need to log in my WordPress dashboard. So when I log in my WordPress dashboard, then I need to click here the appearance button. Then I can see the theme option here. So need to click here. And after that I need to add a new theme. By default, you can show the other theme, but if you need any external theme, then you can search. This is depend on your service. If you want to service any e-commerce or any medical or anything else, then you can search here. As like I'm search here the baby shop. When I search here in baby shop, then the baby shop related theme show in the bottom. There is many shop. This one is the shopper store. This one is something cool, and this one also baby care. So I can preview this thing. So how this is looking. Let's click the preview button. You can just see the demo here and just need to install button here. When I install this theme, I need to active. So if I active this theme, deactive this theme because there is also as extra theme installed. That's why I don't want to active this theme. So when you can active this theme, then your website will be by default activate this baby care theme. So then you can easily WordPress dashboard, and the theme section is appearance and theme. And then you can easily find out the install theme and also activate theme. This one is my active theme extra, and this one is just install theme, but not active. So that's all. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.